Good day, Project Home Growers. This is Stefan Diedrichs and you are watching Project Homegrown, where we do DIY backyard commercial aquaponics and doing everything in every unconventional way that isn't normally the norm, but that's how we learn and this is how we use our creativity. So within the next 2 days we will be stocking our first trout fingerlings. We will be stocking 4-inch and 7-inch trout, and they will be delivering on Wednesday. So before Wednesday we just want to go through the whole system and just make sure that everything is ready the way it's supposed to be, just so that we can make sure that our fish stay alive. So let me quickly take you through the system and show you the work that we still need to finish up with before the delivery, and let's get to it.